Hi everybody and welcome to Laser Ammo. I want to talk about the main advantage of having laser ammo products in your home, especially during these times where you can't always make it to the range. Having the target spread around the house with your training pistol, whether it's recoil enabled or not, you can train from the comfort of your home. Trigger manipulation, sight alignment, holstering and unholstering from a concealed holster. This and more you can watch on our channel here. See you in the next movie.